Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup documents for Medicaid renewal with Benefits.gov step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and go to Benefits.gov. Once the site loads, navigate to the search bar at the top. Type Medicaid Renewal in the search bar and press Enter. Look for the relevant link or section regarding Medicaid renewal information. Click on the link to access the Medicaid renewal page. Here, you will find essential details about the renewal process. Scroll down to locate the list of documents needed for Medicaid renewal. Review the list carefully to ensure you understand what is required. Next, gather your documents in one location for easy access. This may include identification, proof of income, and residency verification. After you have collected all necessary documents, check each item against the list. Make sure that each document is current and accurately reflects your situation. If any documents are missing, take the time to obtain them. Now, return to the Medicaid renewal page on Benefits.gov. Look for instructions on how to submit your documents. Read through these instructions thoroughly to avoid any mistakes. If online submission is an option, choose that for convenience. Follow the prompts to upload your documents securely. If you prefer to submit by mail, write down the address provided. Carefully package your documents to prevent damage during transit. Make a copy of each document for your records before sending them. Once your documents are sent, note the date of submission. You may want to follow up on your application status later. Finally, keep an eye on your email or postal mail for further communication from Medicaid. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.